Nick Fuentes would do extremely well in prison. He would do extremely well adapting to that environment, you know, and then not to mention the white prison gangs agree with his political beliefs, you know, not to mention his last name is Fuentes. That would put him in a pretty good position with a lot of the Hispanic gangs in prison as well. I'm sorry about the air conditioning making a lot of noise in here. I have to do it. I 100% have to hear. I'll cut it off. I have to let the air conditioning run sometimes. But yeah, I think Nick Fuentes would do pretty good. So yeah, Nick Fuentes, I think Nick Fuentes would do pretty damn well. I really do. I really think he would do excellent in prison. I know a lot of people think he wouldn't do so well. He's not a big guy. He's kind of physically fit. He's charismatic. He knows how to move. He knows how to perform in social settings. I don't think he's an addict. I don't think he has any addictions. I think he's intelligent enough not to run up debts. I think if he ever went to prison, I think he'd do all right. I know it's surprising, you know, because I know he's got the Gen Z haircut, and so they might look at him as a jet. If he shaves it, he would look like he'd come across as a pretty stand-up dude in there. He's basically suited for that environment. Like, and I don't want him to go there, but I think if he did go there, I believe he would truly be okay from what I've seen. From what I've seen, I believe he would do all right. You know, I mean, I know some people think that he wouldn't do all right, but based on everything I've seen, I cannot see how Nick Fuentes wouldn't do fine in prison. You know, I think he would do excellent in there. In fact, I think he might even find himself being a leader in the dorm. Very charismatic, very smart. I think people would listen to him, and I think people in there would want to feel represented by him. So if he was to go and say the Florida Department of Corrections, I could see him doing pretty well in there. You know, especially he's just like, you know, highly adaptable guy. So I know there's some people in there that think he wouldn't do well in prison. No, he would do excellent in prison. Wes Watson won't do as well as Nick Fuentes could do. Nick Fuentes could do better in there. Absolutely. Because, you know, there's big, tough guys that look like Wes Watson that would go to bat for a guy like Nick Fuentes in Florida Department of Corrections, because Nick Fuentes says things that a lot of guys in there agree with. A lot of the white gangs in there agree with that stuff that he says, and a lot of the Hispanics in there, you know, like I said, he's got the last name Fuentes. So I can't see any universe where a highly polished, highly charismatic person, he's friends with Kanye West. So again, you know, the media calls him white supremacist this, white supremacist that. Okay, yeah, the dude's friends with Kanye West. The dude has the last name Fuentes. I just don't see him getting messed up in prison. Anybody that says that that's what's going to happen to Nick Fuentes if he goes to prison, that's cope, okay? I'm telling you right now, that is 100% cope. If they say that, they're 100% full of crap, okay? I'm telling you. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. Check out the merchandise. I sell lots of high-quality rash guards and things like that. Jordan Jerem signing off.